Flashes of a familiar face mask blur the line between reality and film. The roar of a chainsaw inside a darkened, deteriorating farmhouse is deafening. You are being hunted. Moving past the rotted remains of other victims, you find your escape blocked by an immovable force. A force that only has one purpose: complete and total destruction. This year, the Texas Chain Saw Massacre, one of the greatest horror films ever made, will come to life right before your very eyes as an all-new maze for Universal Orlando's Halloween Horror Nights 26. You will walk through the iconic Texas farmhouse and experience Leatherface's kills from the 1974 slasher film. You will try desperately to escape as the violent roar of his chainsaw surrounds you. You will hear the cries and see what remains of Leatherface's other victims. And then, and only then, you will come face to face with Leatherface himself. The film follows a group of friends on a road trip to visit a family homestead. When they seek assistance at a house nearby, they become the prey of a cannibalistic family. The Texas Chain Saw Massacre is the first in a horrifying list of mazes yet to be revealed at Universal Orlando's Halloween Horror Nights 26. Additional details about the event will be revealed soon. Halloween Horror Nights 26 will be running select nights between September 16th and October 31st, and guests can book a very special vacation package combining the spine-tingling chills of Halloween Horror Nights with the daytime thrills of Universal Orlando's 2 world-class theme parks and a stay at Universal Orlando's brand new Lowe's Sapphire Falls Resort. For more information and additional ticket offers, visit www.halloweenhorrornights.com/Orlando.